Good morning students. So in the last class I have mentioned about the introduction of the lesson, the fun they had. So today we will go through the lesson. So we have studied about the, I have said about the school of the future. That means not sitting in the classroom, sitting at home in their own study room in front of the TV or the computer and learning the daily lessons. There the teacher is the mechanical teacher. So now you see what is in the lesson. I have said about the two students, Tommy and Maggie. Now look. Maggie even wrote about it that night in a diary. On the page headed 17th May 2157 she wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." So in Tommy's and Maggie's classes there are no books. Their teacher is coming, the mechanical teacher is appearing in the screen of the TV or the computer and she is giving the lessons and the children are following it. So now they had got a book of the year 2057. It was a very old book. Maggie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. So the grandfather had said that in olden times, during grandfather's time, he had gone to the school and he was having printed books. Printed books means now what we are having, printed books, isn't it? They turned the pages. So Tommy was looking after the pages that had got from the time of grandfather, which were yellow and fringy. Which were yellow and fringy means it was an old color. So when the paper turns into old, the color changes. The pure white changes to yellow in color. So it was the book of the old page, that is grandfather's time. So the color of the pages had changed from white to yellow. And it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to. So in the screen, Tommy and Maggie had seen the words moving from one place to another. They will be moving. But in the printed books, they are already printed. That means it is not moving from one side to another. It is already there and it cannot be moved. So it seems to be fun for the children because they have seen only the moving words. But now in that particular book, all the words are being printed out. They are still there in the page on a screen, And then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read in the first time. So in the book, when we read the first page, it will remain there only. In the book, it will remain there only. But in the computer, it may be going back to the saver, isn't it? So when they do the next page and when they turn over to the first page, they have to bring it back. But in the book, it is already there. So suppose when we go to the next page, this page will remain the same. There is no change in this page. But according to Tommy and Maggie, how are they? They are in the computer, that is mechanical book. So the teacher teaching the pages. So once when they are being taught, this side is being taught, and when they go to the other side, this page will go to the saver and only this page will be produced. But in the printed book, it is already there. That page cannot be removed, isn't it? So that is the difference. When they read it the first time, G said Tommy. So it was a great, wonderful, it was a great surprise for Tommy. What a waste. According to him, he is saying it is a waste because the page is already there. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away. So according to them, they are saying that when we have read the first page, we have no use of it. We have to throw it away. I guess our television screen must have had a million books on it. And it is good for plenty more. But in the television, all the pages are over there. This book after some year, after 1 year or 2 years, if there is no use of this book, what we will do? We will put it, we will dump it, we will put aside. We will have no use of it, so we will put aside. But in the computer or in the TV, it is everything is stored. So once we wanted to take it, we can take it again and again from the saver. Understood? And got plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. So then according to Tommy, he is saying that his pages are not being destroyed. Same with mine, said Maggie. She was 11 and hadn't seen any books, telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. So Tommy is how old? 13 years and Maggie is 11 years. So up to their age, they have never seen a printed book, only the computer screen. She said, where did you find it? So now he is having the book of which had belonged to his grandfather's time. So she asked, from where did you get it? In my house. He pointed without looking because he was busy reading. That is, so he is having that interest to know what is the printed book. What is it about school? So the book refers to school. Maggie was scornful. School. Scornful means hatred. She is not interested because at school she is not a good student. So she is not interested of hearing the word school. Where there is to write about school, I hate school. So she hates school because in the school every time what she has to do? She has to write one after the other. Maggie was scornful. Maggie always hated school. Maggie is having no interest to be at the school. But now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical. So this is the school of Maggie. How is it? You look. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head scornfully and sent for the county inspector. That means in the test in the school she had been going failure, the mechanical teacher daily coming, giving the test of geography and in every test she was not able to score the marks. So that is the reason why Maggie hated school. Understood? He was around and so what happened to her? Her mother sent to the inspector. So in our school, if you have no marks in the exams, what will your mother do? They will come and complain to your principal. And they will come and say that my child is not interested in study, she is getting less marks. And you see what is the problem, isn't it? But here we cannot do anything because it is on the computer screen and the mechanical teacher. And there is a resource person for all these teachers in the computer, the main teacher. And so what did Maggie's mother do? She complained to that particular county inspector to see what is the reason why Maggie is failing in geography. He had a round, now saying about the description of the inspector. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with the dials and wires. So it is the mechanical, another machine, isn't it? It is full of wires and dials. It is not a human being. Understood? It is only a machine. He smiled at Maggie and gave her an apple. So when her mother went to see that county inspector, first they had given her an apple. Then took the teacher apart, took the geography teacher to one side. Maggie had hoped he would know how to put it together again. But he knew how, alright, and after an hour or so, there was again. So after some time, the county inspector with the teacher came back. Large and black and ugly with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. So now when everything was set up in that machine, once more the screen had come with all the lessons. The part Maggie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. So in the screen there are certain areas, there are certain slots where when the teacher gives the assignments, we have to put all the answer to that particular area, a particular slot. And that will be coming to the teacher and the teacher will be checking it. And after checking, again the result will be coming in that particular slot, how much you had scored over it. So the inspector, county inspector had shown her in that screen. She always had to write them out in a punch code. They made her learn when she was 6 years old. So that has started when she was 6 years old. Now when you are 6 years old, you will come to the school, join in the school for the class 1, isn't it? Similarly, Maggie had also done, but not going to the school building, but in her own room in front of the mechanical teacher. And the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. So as soon as the work is being given, the teacher will give the questions and now she has to answer it in that particular slot. And soon after all the answers are filled up in the slot, what will the teacher do? Teacher do the calculation within short time. So now she will get the marks also. The inspector had smiled after he had finished a part of Maggie's head. He said to her mother, "It is not the little girl's fault." So now the inspector, the county inspector who was the new machine, he, a resource person, he had said that it is not no mistake in whose side? In Maggie's side. Mrs. John, that is the name of Maggie's geography teacher. Think that geography sector was geared a little too because the girl of 11 years should not understand because her lesson was going on in a fast manner. It was going very quickly. So that is a mistake done by the teacher. So not the fault of the student. Those things happen sometimes because it is a machine. It can happen. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year-old. Now what did the inspector do? He had brought it down to the level of 10 years. Actually the overall pattern of our progress is quite satisfactory. So now again if she tried to do the work in the same manner, it will come satisfactory. And he patted Maggie's head again. So given her a compliment saying that you can do it. Maggie was disappointed. Still Maggie don't like school, isn't it? So she was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away to her. So she thought it is a mistake of Mrs. Jones, the teacher, isn't it? And thought that now the teacher will get a punishment for that. Teacher away. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because his history sector was blanked out completely. So there was a reason for Tommy also in the same manner, and that time the teacher had been removed. So she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about school?" So that is the reason why she did not want to hear about the school. Understood now? Tommy looked at her with a weighted superior eyes. Because it is not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years. So that means many years back, going back. And it is not the similar school what we are having today. Understood? That means today we are sitting at home and doing our work. But it was 100 years back, all the students going to a particular building called a school and with the printed books. He added lovely pronouncing the word carefully. Centuries ago, 100 years back. Century means 100 years. So 100 years back, there was a time when they were having printed books where the letters were not moving from one place to another. They are fixed up in particular pages and the students used to go to a building where it is called the school. But as far as Tommy and Maggie is considered, their school is their home only. A room in their house where in front of the TV or computer and the mechanical teacher coming over there in that screen, everything is being displayed. That is how they are studying. Maggie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read the book over her shoulders for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. So one thing she had understood, there was a teacher. So even now also they are having a teacher, but it is a mechanical teacher. But the 100 years back also they were having a teacher, but it was a human being. That is the difference. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. So 100 years back, there was also a teacher, but it was a human being, and now they are having a teacher, but it was a mechanical teacher. A man, how could a man be a teacher? So they were surprised. How can a man be a teacher? Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. So the teacher daily coming, subject wise he is coming, he is teaching, asking questions and giving the answers. A man isn't smart enough. Sure he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. He knows about all much, my beta. Maggie wasn't prepared to dispute that. She said, dispute means to argue with. Argue means not interested to say, to accept what Tommy is saying. She said, I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me. So she is saying, how can a man come and teach? Teacher means it is only ladies. So how can a man come and teach in my house? Tommy screamed with laughter. Hearing that, Tommy started laughing. You don't know much, Maggie. The teachers did not live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there saying that teachers are not coming to you in your house. They are, that means all the kids, all the students who wanted to learn will go where to a particular building where who comes? The teacher comes. We are not going to teachers go or teacher is not coming to students' house. But teacher as well as the students, they go to a particular building called a school and sitting in there they are studying their lessons. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl, teachers, and that each kid has to be taught differently. Yes, of course, because children are of different levels. So each one takes a different time to grasp the knowledge. Just the same they did not do it like when they. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. I didn't say I did not like it. Maggie said trivially. So saying about studies, Maggie is not at all interested. But Tommy was interested to know what had happened 100 years before. She wanted to read about those funny schools. Now, slowly, she also getting interested to know about the old school. And it seems to be fun for her because she thinks how can a man come and teach the lessons. Maggie looked up, not at Mama. Now said Mr. John, and it is probably time for Tommy too. Maggie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more when you are after school? Maybe, he said, not carelessly. He walked away briskly. The dusty old book tackled beneath his arm, taking the book and he was going. Maggie went into the schoolroom. So where is the Maggie's schoolroom? In her house, in a particular room is left for her. And in the room there are no teachers, only the TV. And in the screen who appears, the teacher appears. That is, where is the school we will see? It was right next to her bedroom. So next to her bedroom, the room is there and that is her school. And the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. So when the screen is on, when the TV is on, in the screen, who comes? The mechanical teacher comes. It was always on it at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. So 2 days the teacher will not appear. That is Saturday and Sunday. So Saturday and Sunday are off days. And the remaining 5 days, at the correct time, the teacher appears. Because her mother had said little girls learn better, so they learned at regular hours. So why the teacher is coming at the regular time? Because the mother had said that if children are sitting for the correct time to study, they will learn quickly. The screen was lit up, now sitting in front of the school, sitting in the room in front of the TV, and the TV is on, and now the screen is light up. And it said today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. So today what she is going to study about the proper fractions, and it is of the maths class. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. So now before starting the lesson, the teacher is asking Maggie to put the homework on the particular slot area. Slot area means at the side of the screen there will be the slot area where she had to put yesterday's homework. The teacher will go through it and correct it and give the result. Maggie did so with a sigh. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandmother was a little boy. So she had gone back to her grandfather's time. All grandfather's time, they were not sitting in the room in front of the TV and doing the work. How were they studying? All the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting. In the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom. From different places, all the children of that area will come out and in the morning go together, enjoying themselves, laughing singing and finally going to the big building school, and there they are going and sitting in different classes in groups, getting home together in the end of the day. And when the school time is over, at the end of the school time, they all again come out of their rooms and go to their home. They learn the same thing so they could help one another in the work on talk. So Maggie is studying alone and there is no one to help her. But in the school, how are the children? Children coming daily to the school and they are sitting together. So what will happen? If any doubt is there with one, they can ask to their friends. So like that, their doubts are being cleared. And the teachers were people, and it was not the mechanical teacher, it was a human being. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we had fraction half. So the mechanical teacher had appeared and she was doing the sum. Maggie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the olden days, thinking about the fun they had. So that is why it is said that they had fun. So they had fun when? Not in the future day, but in the olden time, that is 100 years back. So now you have to read the text.